Have you ever felt embarrassed sharing your course link because your website doesn't look professional enough? Like deep down, you know your content is good, but your platform doesn't match your ambition? In today's market, people judge in seconds. And if your academy looks messy, slow, or unfinished, they leave before they even see what you're offering. Introducing Digital Academy Fortune, your complete solution to launching and running a professional digital academy without the usual setup pain. Instead of juggling tools, wrestling with course systems, and trying to turn PLR files into something that looks credible, you now get a fully built academy platform you can launch quickly without technical skills, design work, or content creation. Check out what Digital Academy Fortune is bringing to the table for you. Step-by-step training, DFY Digital Academy website, ready to sell courses, ready to sell digital products, ready to learn video lessons, product download links ready, add your own PLR courses, add unlimited courses, add quizzes and tests to your courses, connect preferred payment method, and many more. Right now, you're looking at exactly how simple it is to launch your own Digital Academy website in just 3 clear steps. Step 1. Install. Effortlessly set up your website in minutes with a straightforward WordPress backup process. Step 2. Configure your payment method, connect your PayPal, Stripe, or other payment method in WooCommerce, and start accepting payments instantly. Step 3. Promote. Use the included training and materials to drive traffic and grow your site with ease. That's it. Install, configure, promote. Now let's go deeper. This platform is packed with premium features, and Digital Academy Fortune takes your online business to a new level. You're getting a professional website design that positions you as the expert. It's built clean and modern to impress, designed specifically for hosting, presenting, and selling your courses. It builds instant trust and credibility, helping you turn visitors into confident buyers from the very first click. But here's something powerful. You don't just get a website. You get courses, ebooks, and digital resources done for you and ready to sell. Your Digital Academy comes preloaded with structured courses, ebooks, and digital products so you can launch faster without creating content or starting from scratch. You can also add your own PLR or custom materials anytime to expand your catalog. Everything is already organized and presented professionally, so your academy feels complete and credible from the moment it goes live. Now let's talk about something most people overlook: online tools that turn your site into a must-have resource. Digital Academy Fortune includes essential online tools that add real value beyond courses and ebooks. These tools give visitors something useful immediately. They encourage repeat visits. They support natural traffic growth through sharing and bookmarking. By offering practical help before asking for a sale, your academy builds trust and authority over time, making it easier to attract attention, earn credibility, and convert visitors when they're ready. And it gets better. There's a convenient customer account system built in. Your academy comes fully equipped with a user-friendly customer and student account system that enhances trust and boosts retention. Users can log in to view order history, access courses, and manage their learning progress. No additional plugins, no complicated setup. Everything is ready to go right out of the box. Now here's where it becomes even more interesting. Sounds good already? Not yet. In addition to delivering a premium business, they've committed to making promotion effortless by integrating 2 ready-to-use marketing channels into the package. Number 1. DFY Promo Video. Kickstart your promotion with a ready-made promotional video that promotes your site in a clear, engaging way. Simply add your website name and address, then share it across your website and social media to attract attention fast. Number 2. DFY Social Media Posts. To help you start promoting your digital academy immediately, this pack includes 12 professionally designed social media posts. Each one comes with a matching image and ready-to-use caption. These posts are designed to showcase your academy, explain its value clearly, and attract the right audience without sounding salesy or forced. You can use them across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and other platforms to stay visible, build interest, and drive traffic back to your site. Simply post them as they are, or tweak the wording to match your tone. No design work, no copywriting, no guesswork required. Now let's break down exactly what you will get today with Digital Academy Fortune. First, Digital Academy website. A done-for-you Digital Academy website with ready-to-use content. Built-in learning management system. WooCommerce integration for taking payments and selling digital products. Step-by-step guidance on launching and running your digital academy. Action checklist and strategies. Second, done-for-you courses, ebooks, and products. High-quality courses preloaded with structured topics and ready-to-use lessons. Professionally curated ebooks across multiple in-demand subjects. Download-ready digital resources including GPT packs and prompt packs. Fully organized and easy to deliver. Third, done-for-you essential business tools. 8 essential HTML tools that help with everyday online tasks. From QR code creation and image prompt generation to color selection and phone number formatting. These tools turn your website into a go-to resource that gets bookmarked, shared, and revisited naturally. Fourth, promotion materials. Editable sales video template. Social media image templates. Fifth, access and benefits. Instant access. Create unlimited websites for your own business. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're serious about launching your own digital academy, this is the moment to stop overthinking and start building. Right now, you're not just getting a website. You're getting a done-for-you academy platform, preloaded courses and ebooks, built-in tools, ready-to-use promo videos, 12 DFY social media posts, essential business tools, and step-by-step guidance, all packaged to help you launch fast. Plus, you can create unlimited websites for your own business. And remember, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That means zero risk. If it doesn't work for you, you get every single penny back. So the only real question is, are you going to keep planning or are you going to launch? Click the link below this video. Secure your access while the launch discount is still active and start building your digital academy today. Don't wait. Take action now.